Hello, this is Joran Barres from the Activiti team, and in this movie I want to just demonstrate to you how easy it is to create a pull request for the Activiti project. Now, I know there are many resources online to describe it, but in the forum the question does come up once every while, so I just want to have something visually that shows you how to do it. So, you're logged in into GitHub, right? You go to the Activiti repository, which lives under this URL, and what you do here is you press this fork button. You select your own personal account to fork it to, and now it's taking basically a copy of the Activiti repository with all the commits and all the history attached to it, right? So here it is, it's my personal, you can see the URL has changed to my personal Activiti repository. So what you do now is you copy paste this URL, you open up a terminal window, and just do a git clone of that URL, right? So here you go. That takes a while, it shouldn't take too long, but there is, as you can see, quite a bit of code already and quite a bit of history in that repository. Still, it beats the hell out of using Subversion or anything else. So here we go. You can now go into Activiti. Obviously, what you normally want to do now is you want to open it up in your favorite IDE, IntelliJ, Eclipse, NetBeans, whatever. This is just a Maven project, and you can just open it up and incorporate it. I'm just going to go the easy route now, and I'm going to use something very fancy called Pico. I'm going to go to, let's just do something in the user guide. That's easy to change. So user guide, source, chapter, no, source, English, chapters, and let's just take the first introduction thing. That opens up something. It's not important what you do here. I'm just going to make a change. Here we go. Normally, like I say, this would happen in your IDE. You check with Git if there is a change, right? There is one change. You do a change. Obviously, you need to describe here what you've done. You've committed to your local repository. You push it to your remote one. Okay. Maybe I mistyped myself. Here we go. So I did indeed make a mistake in typing my password. So if you refresh now, you can see there is now a commit the awesome change with my change. Obviously, this would normally be some Java code with unit tests, some documentation, if it's a good pull request. But I just want to show you the point. So what you can do now here, there is this button here, compare, review, create a pull request. You press it. And basically you get an overview of all the commits you've done. Obviously I only did one, and you can select what you want to do and what you don't want to do. It compares my master branch versus the one on Activiti, the real Activiti, let's say. And if you would now press this button, it would create a pull request for Activiti. I'm not going to do that because it's a stupid pull request, obviously. But what it would happen then is it would pop up into this list. We get an email, or everybody who's subscribed to the Activiti repository gets an email, and your pull request gets up here. So, for example, if you open up this one, some explanation, and this is the actual commit right happening. So if you do a commit, we see it here, and we can then discuss it, or we can say, okay, it looks good, we merge it, or we merge it manually if needed. So as you can see, creating a patch, fixing something, contributing something to Activiti is really easy, thanks to Git and GitHub. And I hope this movie helped you. Thank you for watching.